Hello guys, so in this project I will explain like how to publish your project to your GitHub profile. One of my friend recently asked me and I explained him, and then I thought like maybe the same kind of problem is maybe facing like a lot of people maybe facing the same kind of problem, so that's why I'm doing it. Though I'm not doing everything from scratch here, I'm assuming that you already have Git installed in your computer. If it is installed, then you can see things like here, Git bash here, Git GUI here. So I'm hoping that you already have that installed and you already have created your profile in your GitHub. Once you have the profile, you can select start a project. And once you click on start a project, then it will ask you the repository name. Generally, we put the project name here, but you can choose any name. A repository, you can consider that as a folder name. And then, for example, like you can say test project one, just for an example, and then you can choose public. Then you can also initialize the repository with the readme file, but in my project right now there is already a readme file, but you can always check this box and then you can create the readme file. And readme file is the file where you can talk about your project, like what you are trying to achieve, and all those kind of things. So this is how you create your projects. Once you create the repository, and then it will take you to this page where you can see the HTTPS and SSH the URL, which you will need in later, which I will explain. So now the simple step is like once you have the project, generally when you have the project, you have the folder. Inside that folder there are multiple files. So this is how it looks, the typical project folder. So now what all you need to do is like once you have the Git installed in your computer, then you just right click here and then you press Git bash here, right? And then once you have this, then you have to write few commands, some basic commands. So first thing is like you say git config, and then global user dot name, and then on and then in double quotes you can put your username, whatever your username is. Like in my case it is Ashish K Liparty, and then so that is your username. And then you can do the same thing for your email. All you need to do is instead of name you can put email, and then you can type your email address here. Okay, and once you have that, the next thing is like, because you are already doing everything from this folder, so now you have to initiate it. So you have to put this command in it, and then you can do git add, then space, and then dot. And now the next thing is like you have to commit. To commit, the command is git and commit, and you can put any reference lines which you want, like for example like first commit. Okay, and once you have that commit, now what you need to do is like you need to remote the origin. So for example, for that you need to do git remote add origin, and the URL, uh, this is the URL. So you copy it and then you need to paste it here. So now basically your folder is linked to your GitHub profile here, and now if you want to push your changes to the GitHub profile, you can do by using the command git push origin master. And if you want to do forcefully, or like you're doing the same thing again, then you can use this F as well. And then once you do this, then depending on the size of project, it may take some time, but so you see your test project, all the changes are going to your GitHub profile. So right now, oh, it's already done. Okay, so I wanted to show you like before and after, but I already did because it is completed. And once it is completed, you will see all the files and folders in your test project one. You can see that app data models, everything is here. And also because inside my project there was already a readme file, and that's why this is coming here. And then you can see the reference line which you have put this first commit. You can see here, you can also see the time. So this is the very simple process how you can publish your project in your GitHub profile. Hopefully it will help someone, at least not to everyone. If it helps you, then click the like. and if you want, you can subscribe for more update. Thank you.